volume calculations for a cylinder. So we have a large volume to calculate for a drum. It's a cylindrical drum. Now that cylinder there, it's a photograph there, has a diameter of 600 millimeters or 0.6 meters. Now the radius is half of the diameter, so from here out is only 0.3 of a meter. So let's just see that. What about the height? The height, can you see the height is 900 millimeters? So what that would do is that diameter is 600 millimeters or 0.6 meters. And the height is actually 900 millimeters, or 900 millimeters is 0.9 of a meter. So those are the two dimensions that you're going to look at. And the top view, looking down in the cylinder, is 300 millimeters or 0.3.
So here we have the diameter of a drum. Diameter of this drum is 600 millimeters. 600 millimeters is the distance through the center. That's the diameter. So if that diameter is 600 millimeters or 60 centimeters or 0.6 of a meter, then the radius from the center to the outside is half the diameter. Has a diameter of 600 millimeters. The radius is half the diameter, 300 millimeters. The radius is 30 centimeters. The radius is 0.3 of a meter. The diameter is twice the radius. So the height vertically from the ground up to the top, the rim, is 900 millimeters. This height, this vertical height, 900 millimeters, is 0.9 of a meter or 90 centimeters high. 900 mils, the vertical height.
So once again, we have a video on a drum that's a cylinder, and the height is obviously 900 millimeters with a diameter from this end to that end there, right through the center, of 60 centimeters, 600 millimeters, or 0.6 meters. So its radius is half of that. So the distance from here to here to the middle is 0.3 meters. So that cylinder there looks pretty worse for wear. Calculate the volume on that.
So the volume of a cylinder is 254 liters. 254 liters there in red is talking about the cylinder with height 0.9 of a meter, 0.6 meters in diameter D. So R is 0.3 of a meter, D is 0.6 of a meter. Let's find the volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is V equals A times H, where H is 0.9 of a meter and the area is that circle shaded in at the top. Now the formula is pi r squared times the height h. So that's pi times 0.3 squared times 0.9. If you work 0.3 out, times it by itself, you're going to get, when you multiply it by pi and by 0.9, 254 or 0.254 cubic meters.